Sri Gurubhyo Namah children, welcome to online session. Already we are seeing the preparation of hydrocarbons. Yesterday I told about the 3 different preparations of hydrocarbons. We have started from hydrogenation, reduction. I told about the Woods reaction. Yesterday I have introduced decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? Decarboxylation, removal of carbon dioxide. Why? How we are going to remove this carbon dioxide? From where we are going to remove this carbon dioxide? From the sodium salt or potassium salt of carboxylic acid by using soda lime mixture. When sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. What is soda lime? A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. We are going to get the hydrocarbon where you will have one carbon atom less than the parent. So when you compare the parent hydrocarbon, parent carboxylic acid and the product, what you get? The product hydrocarbon will have one carbon atom less than the reactant. So that is decarboxylation. So the resulting products will be hydrocarbon. Shall we see, children? Now I am going to talk with decarboxylation. When sodium or potassium salt, when sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid, sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with, when sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime mixture, soda lime mixture, that is a mixture of sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. When sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime mixture, which is nothing but a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, the product is hydrocarbon. The product is hydrocarbon with one carbon atom. With one carbon atom less than the, with one carbon atom less than the parent, with one atom less than the parent carboxylic acid. So what is the condition here? Actually, decarboxylation is removal of carbon dioxide. How I am removing carbon dioxide? By heating the sodium or potassium salt with soda lime. What is soda lime? A mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. So here, what is the product? I am getting hydrocarbon as a product. So what is the condition? The hydrocarbon, what I got as a product, will have one carbon atom less than the parent. So what is the condition? The product also hydrocarbon, but in the product I will get one carbon atom less than the parent, what is the carboxylic acid. So that is the condition for decarboxylation. So we are going to write the equation now. Listen here, actually CH3 COONA. What is the name of this compound? Sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. So this is the, what is that? Reactant, starting material. So what I am doing? I am heating with soda lime mixture. So I am heating with soda lime mixture. So what is happening? So here carbon dioxide is removed. Carbon dioxide is removed. So this Na and Na becomes Na2CO3. Na2. This CO2 again oxygen combines to give CO3. What is remaining? This hydrogen will be added with CH3. You will be getting CH4. See the carbon now. In the parent it has got 2 carbon. The parent carboxylic acid has 2 carbon, whereas in the what is that product? I got the methane where only 1 carbon. So this is the condition. So usually when sodium or potassium salts undergo decarboxylation, the product I get will have 1 carbon atom less than the parent. So there are 2 carbon atoms. When I get the product methane which has got 1 carbon atom less than the parent, so I will have only 1 carbon atom here. That is the condition. The next one we are going to talk about Cole's electrolysis. Cole's electrolysis. Again naming reaction. Here also what is it? Sodium or potassium salt undergoes electrolysis. Electrolysis. What is electrolysis? What is cis breaking? Electrolysis, what is that? We are passing electricity and breaking the ions present in the compound. What is the compound I am taking here? Sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid, higher carboxylic acid. So, once again, I am going to take 2CH3 COONA. What is the name of this compound? Sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. So what is sodium ethanoate? It undergoes electrolysis. So it undergoes electrolysis. So what is happening here? You will be getting, what is the 2 different types of products here. So actually 2CH3 can be written as CH3. Okay. What is the next one? There are 2 carbon dioxide. So you will be getting 2 carbon dioxide. And here you will be getting, what is that? So aqueous solution. So you will be getting, what is that? 2 water molecules you are adding here. So you will be getting hydrogen gas with the liberation of 2 sodium hydroxide. So here when sodium ethanoate, it undergoes electrolysis. So we are adding water. So what is happening here? I am getting 2 CH3 plus 2 CO2. I am getting 2 molecules of carbon dioxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide. So this is the first step. Next step, what we are going to do? This CH3COONA. 2CH3 COONA. So actually COO will be negative, sodium is positive. So CH3 COO minus Na plus. What is happening? Again it's a reversible reaction. So how it splits? You will be getting 2 molecules of acetate ion. 2 molecules of acetate ion and 2 sodium atom. So you will be getting 2 molecules of acetate ion and 2 sodium atoms. So what is this actually? Sodium ethanoate. So this is acetate. And here this is negative. So this is negative, this is positive. So at anode, what type of reaction is possible at anode? Anode is, what is that? Positive terminal. What is anode? Positive terminal. What is the reaction taking place at positive terminal? What is the negatively charged particle here? 2CH3 COO minus. So what is happening here? This 2CH3 COO minus, it is acetate ion. So what is happening here? This acetate ion loses 2 electrons. So this acetate ion loses 2 electrons. So what you will be getting? 2CH3 C double bond O negative. Is it not? So here when it loses 2 electrons, what you will be getting? 2 CH3, C double bond O. This oxygen will have 5 electrons. This oxygen will have 5 electrons. What will be the next step? So this will be breaking like this. You will be getting 2 methyl free radical plus 2 carbon dioxide. So this is methyl free radical. Methyl free radical. So this methyl free radical, what is the next step? CH3 free radical plus CH3 free radical. What is that you will be getting? CH3, CH3. So what is the name of this compound? Ethane. So what is that I have taken? It is also electrolysis. What is the condition? What is electrolysis? We are passing electricity in the aqueous solution of sodium ethanoate. Aqueous, adding water. So when electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium ethanoate, you will be getting 2 different charged particles. What is that? One is, what is that? You will be getting CH3 with the liberation of hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas as well as 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide. And once again, what is that? We are going to say what are the 2 different reactions at the anode and cathode. Anode is positive. So the negatively charged particle which is at the anode. So what is happening? What is the negatively charged here? Acetate ion, which is the negatively charged. So what is happening here? 2 acetate ions are there. It loses 2 electrons. So you will be getting 2 methyl free radical with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So these 2 methyl free radicals are added. When these are added, they are bonded. They will form a bond there and you will be getting ethane molecule. This is the reaction that is taking place at the anode. So anode is positive terminal. So the negatively charged ion which is there in the positive terminal is acetate ion. It loses 2 electrons and becomes ethane with the liberation of carbon dioxide. So ethane is the product we are getting at the anode which is positive terminal. In the next step we are going to talk about the reaction in the negative terminal, cathode. We are doing with the Coles electrolysis. We have started with Coles electrolysis. One part of the reaction is over. I told about the reaction that is taking place in the anode, positive terminal, where acetate ion, it loses 2 electrons. So what is happening? I got ethane with the liberation of carbon dioxide gas. So at anode, this acetate ion, anode is a positive terminal. Acetate ion is negatively charged. It loses 2 electrons and what is that? We are getting ethane molecule with the liberation of carbon dioxide. Now we are going to see the reaction, the other set of the reaction, other half of the reaction which is taking place at the cathode. Cathode is a negative terminal here. So be ready children. At cathode. At cathode, what is the charge of a cathode? It is negative. So at negative, what particle will be there? Positively charged particle. So here water, it gains an electron. Water gains electron and you will be getting OH minus and hydrogen free radical. So this hydrogen free radical, 2 hydrogen free radical, you will be getting hydrogen bond hydrogen, which is otherwise called as hydrogen gas. So what is this actually? Hydrogen free radical. So what is hydrogen free radical? What is free radical actually? Species. Species formed by the homolytic cleavage. Species formed by the homolytic cleavage, homolytic fission, homolytic cleavage. is called free radical. So what is homolytic cleavage? The bond will break in such a way. Homolytic fission. A fission takes place in such a way where both the atoms share the electrons equally. Both the atoms share the electrons equally. We can call it as homolytic fission. The electrons will be shared equally by both the atoms. So we can call it as homolytic fission. So this is called as homolytic fission. And what is homolytic fission? Fission is nothing but cleavage, breaking. So what we are breaking? The bond is broken in such a way. We are breaking the bond between the two atoms in such a way, each atom will share the electron equally. So here I told about the cathodic reaction at negative terminal at cathode. What is the reaction taking place? Water molecule gains electron. So gaining electron. There in the anode, loss of electron. So it loses electron. Here at cathode, water gains electron. So it is gaining the electron. What is happening? I got OH minus with the liberation of hydrogen free radical. So this hydrogen free radical combines, two hydrogen free radicals are combined to give hydrogen gas. So this is the reaction taking place at cathode. So at cathode, gaining of electron. So water gaining electron. So gaining of electron taking place at the cathode. So as a result, what is that we are getting? We are getting OH minus with the liberation of hydrogen free radical. So these hydrogen free radicals, they are joined together to give hydrogen gas which exists as a molecule. That's why I have written hydrogen as a molecule. So most of the gases, they will exist as a molecule. And here I told about the, what is that free radical? I gave free radical definition. What is the free radical actually? How it is formed? They are formed by the homolytic cleavage. What is homolytic cleavage? Cleavage means what? Bond. Breaking of a bond. Fission, that is breaking of a bond. How a bond breaks? There will be two different atoms. The bond will be broken in such a way, both the atoms will share electrons equally. Mutual understanding. There will be mutual understanding between both the atoms. So each atom gains the electron, that is shares the electron equally. We can call such a fission as homolytic fission. Based on homolytic fission, what is the species formed? We are getting free radical. So free radical will have a electron. So each species will have a electron. They are sharing electron equally. So we can call such species as what is that? Free radical species, which is usually obtained by homolytic fission. So we are going to see homolytic, heterolytic in the first lesson, basic concepts. So you will be getting more idea about the fission reactions, that is homolytic fission and heterolytic fission. So up to this, Cole's electrolysis is over. There are two parts in a reaction, anodic part and cathodic part. Anode is a positive terminal. So what is the reagent there? What is the negatively charged ion? Acetate ion. What is the reaction taking place? Losing of electron. Acetate ion loses 2 electrons to give ethane molecule with the liberation of carbon dioxide. What is the reaction taking place at cathode? Cathode is a negative terminal. So what is the charged particle there? Positively charged species there. So water. So it gains electron. Gaining of electron is taking place. OH minus is produced with the liberation of free radical, hydrogen free radical. These hydrogen free radicals are joined together. You will be getting a hydrogen gas at the cathode. So this is about the Cole's electrolysis process.